Gary Gibaud, and today probably the most difficult video of the year. I'm here in France, in front of the shop Digit Photo, and many people ask me ideas about gift for Christmas and other period of the year, obviously. And why is it the most difficult video for me? Because I came here with Ingrid Rodríguez. She's behind the camera, and we walked into the shop, and for her everything was a great idea. So I said, oh, relax, we're going to pick about 6-7 products and that's it. So here they are. I'm going to tell you about them, and it goes from really affordable to things that are a bit more substantial, if I could say, depending on what kind of gift or money you want to spend. So we're going to speak about it. So let's start. Obviously, to have different ideas, it's important to also have novelties. So here it is, the new tripod by Peak Design, the Pro Tripod Lite. When it was announced, so many people pre-ordered it. It was crazy, and now at last it is available in shops. Carbon fiber, beautiful, trapezoidal size, shape. So when you close it, it's really compact. We feel the solidity, and I think any fan of Peak Design will love this tripod. So for me, this is a great idea to use it, and as a gift, well, everyone would be happy to receive it. So great idea. Every time I present a camera bag, some people say, oh, it looks too much like a camera bag. When I present a bag that doesn't look like a camera bag, they say, oh yeah, but it's not enough of a camera bag. So I picked this one by Think Tank. So this is the Focus Point Roll Top Backpack series. Beautiful fabric, beautiful material, metal top. It's a roll-up top, so if you want to place like your jumper in there, you can still place it there on top of your gear. Many pockets, really beautiful product. I'm not going to unpack everything because it would take hours, okay? But I wanted to show you that the quality is there. You have many pockets like this. Really beautiful finish. Really a nice padded bag. Shoulder strap are really nice. Really access here to the bag, to the space for your camera. Really nice. It exists in different sizes and different colors. So I thought this is still a camera bag, but it doesn't look as much as a camera bag. So I thought that was a great idea. This is not the cheapest bag, okay? This is certain level, but still I think as a gift it's beautiful. As a self-gift also, it's also a possibility. The following one is a self-gift. We bought this camera with Ingrid. This is the DJI Osmo Action 6. It's in my bag there. This is the kit with 3 batteries, but it exists also just a standalone camera. I think it's a great gift. We're going to use it. It's in my bag because we're using already this week for recording. We also have the Osmo Nano. I think they complete each other. They're great. And this is the first action camera with a variable aperture from f2 to f4. I think my first impressions are great, so I wanted to recommend this camera, although I have not used it much. I didn't present it yet on my channel, but we're already using it. I think this is a great gift and affordable for what it is. I think it's a great product, no doubt. I was going to forget, but I've got memory cards and SSD integral. I actually presented them on my channel. I've been using this for about 8 months. This is a British brand. Great product. I would recap this way. They are as fast or faster than the competitors, but they're cheaper. And I've been using SSDs and this card. And if you want to make a gift and you don't know what cards to recommend or to buy for the camera of the person you want to give the gift to, buy an SSD. This is always useful. This is fast. You save a lot of time transferring data. You save a lot of time editing. This is great. And if this is someone you know really well and you know the gear that person has, get memory cards. They have all size, 1, 2, 4, I don't know if it's 8 teras, I think up to 4 teras SSD. Great product, and memory cards have all type. So there is surely a great gift among these brands. Go for that. And by the way, if you wanted to help me, don't forget I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There's a join button just below, and for just €1.99 a month, you get a small star next to your name, so I know you helped me, so I answer your question with priority. Thank you so much. Also have affiliate links in the description, please use them. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo or Skylum, Aperture by Skylum, get a 10% discount with the code ERIC10, 10% on top of any offer they have. So still place your code and you save some money. And with ERIC20, you get 20% discount with K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. That helps you, that helps me, so fantastic. Thank you so much. Let's carry on. Who knows better about cleaning lenses than a lens maker like Zeiss? This kit, you have a small pair with a blower, you have liquid, you have special fabrics, all this. This is always useful. Even if someone already has a cleaning kit, will probably use it for some time and after needs to replace products. Great opportunity to give this away. That's not too expensive. I think it's a great product and everyone needs this. Sooner or later, you need to clean your lenses. Great, great, great gift. I like it. Do you need to be bright to do photography? Well, I don't speak about cleverness. I speak about lighting. What's about a small RGB LED panel? This is always useful. I've presented several on my YouTube channel, several brands, they're all similar, okay? But this small rig is a great product, RGB. You can use it to light a face, a product, or as a kicker light from the back. If you record a video like this, for example, you could have this as a backlit to have a point of light in the back. That's great, the RGB, several colors, all this. The size, it's in the box here, but the size is about the size of a smartphone. So you can carry it anywhere. And I think any photographer or videographer needs to have at least one of these in his bag. So I think this is a fantastic gift. Great. We're going to end up with a product, a brand I didn't know. It's called Lulex. They are handmade products, handmade suits. This is a harness, I call that. And this is a double strap for 2 cameras. I'm not going to put it on me because I'm not here for getting clothes. I'm not an influencer that's not dancing after. The finish is beautiful. The metal is great. I think people who know me, they know I'm not a fan of carrying a camera on the side, okay? But many wedding photographers, they use 2 cameras and they want them on the side. The first thing I checked if there was a safety. Yes, there is a safety, so you can actually lock properly your camera and hooked on the side, so there is no risk of falling. So I think this is really great. But Lulex doesn't make only a strap and harness, they also make beautiful bags. These bags are hand sewed, so they're really, really beautiful. Inside you have some fabric. The straps are really nice. It exists in several sizes, several colors. As you can see, the finish is beautiful. Some people say that looks like for women. No, I think nowadays it's not women or men, it's just anyone who likes the bag. And that top quality, so I think if you have a beautiful camera or an expensive camera, you need to give a special space for that camera, and that kind of bag is beautiful. They also have backpack. They have several colors. Ingrid picked this one because she liked this one, but they have several type and sizes. This one is mid-size. As you can see, the finish is so incredible. Look at this. Okay, this is a smaller one. Here it fits a tablet. The larger one, you can fit a laptop. As you can see, all the fill is in there still, because I'm not going to unpack everything, just to show you. The protection are really well padded. The finish is, they're just simply beautiful. I don't know if I could describe this, but the quality, the linen in there, it's really, I was surprised. And first thing Ingrid said, I want one. I said, wait, it's not Christmas yet? Okay. So I think if you're on a backpack that doesn't look at all for camera, I think this is a great, beautiful idea. So honestly, I think these gifts are a good idea. Maybe you have more ideas, obviously, but my aim was to show you a few ideas from really affordable to a lot more expensive, depending on what you want to do, what you want to offer. So I think it's a nice list, I think. So if you would be interested in any of these items, I'll leave you links in the description where you can buy them. So thank you so much to Digit Photo for lending us this gear. Oh, this one is ours, okay, but the rest is they lended us the product, so we can show you. And thank you to Ingrid, who is behind the camera, for helping, actually telling me what to pick and what not. I'm not too good at that. And thank you to you for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. A small button down here, a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, ericgibaud.com. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget, I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There is a join button just below for just €1.99 a month. You help me, so I put a small star next to your name and I answer your question with priority. Thank you so much. I also have affiliate links in the description. Please use them, that really helps me. And if you wanted to buy Luminar Neo or Apathy by Skylum, you get a 10% discount with the code ERIC10. 10% on top of any offer they have. So you still place a code, it's even cheaper for you. And with ERIC20, you get 20% discount with K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. That helps you, that helps me. Great, everyone happy. Thank you so much. I also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.